Hello, my name is Michael Dietz.
Boris Werle.
Andreas Hahn.
Natascha Jung.
Jochen Axt.
Mario Winski.
Henrik Albers.
Jan Essig.
Felix Krespach.
Daniel Schaber.
Patrick Müller.
This is one of our edge bending machines. It glues edge material to chipboards. That is to enhance the optical quality of the chipboards and protect it from surrounding moisture. Our customers use a lot of variation in edge bend materials because of the different demands.
I would like to illustrate the challenges associated with this by the means of an everyday example. I'm pretty sure you have pasta at home, but do you know how many of what kind? Probably not. It is similar with edge bends. Normally they're stored in boxes or in large piles. Therefore, the machine operator frequently does not know what edge bends he has available, in which material and which decor. Moreover, they are particularly ordered for a specific chipboard and edge bending machine. In order to avoid running out of required edge bends, carpentry workshops often ordered a lot of new edge bends for upcoming customer projects, just to be on the safe side. Therefore, old stored edge bends were no longer used, became brittle, and were thrown away.
So to organize edge bends, Homag developed the Material Manager a few years ago. However, the consistency of data was not provided during the process. That means that you had manually enter the data in several places. So we wanted to simplify the process, reduce the manual effort, and digitally connect the individual steps. So together, we've developed the Edge Data Package. We would now like to show you what the system looks like at the premises of one of our customers. For that purpose, we will go to Erding to the Lechner Carpentry workshop.
Following the delivery, Martin scans the delivery node of the edge bend coils. All the data that we need we have now in our system, like the dimensions and the materials. We are using a label inside of the edge bend coils to have all the data accessible to any time.
When the goods are stored and Martin is searching for a required edge bend, the system helps him find it. When Martin starts the production, the edge bending machine gets the required data for the corresponding edge bend. When the production is finished, the edge bending machine reports back the remaining stock to the system and the edge bend data is updated.
So there's hardly any manual effort and the individual process steps are interconnected at all times. This data exchange in general, the edge bend data is provided by the Tapio ecosystem, which offers a lot of benefits for our customer. But let's ask him directly.
Durch das neue System, wo wir jetzt
Thanks to the new Homag system we now have in the company, we always know exactly which edge bands we have in stock, which types, how many meters. The machine automatically deducts the quantity used. Therefore, we always know our stock. This helps us save resources. I'm impressed, and it looks like the jury is too.
Mich hat's überzeugt und anscheinend die Jury ja auch.